Ever sneezed when stepping into bright sunlight? You're not alone. This quirky reaction, known as the photic sneeze reflex, affects up to 35% of people. But why does it happen? It's all about crossed wires in your brain. When bright light hits your eyes, it triggers the same nerve that causes sneezing. Your brain gets confused and thinks, "Time to sneeze." This reflex isn't just a random glitch, it's genetic. If one of your parents has it, you've got a 50% chance of inheriting this solar-powered sneeze. While it's usually harmless, it can be risky for pilots or drivers. So next time you feel a sun-induced sneeze coming on, remember, your body's just mixing up its signals in a fascinating way. Who knew sneezing could be so illuminating?